What are you eating?
I'm eating rice and peas with some brown stew, turkey neck,
Okay.
and a little bit of mac and cheese in between that was left over.
So is this Jamaican stuff?
Except for the mac and cheese, yes. This is
Okay.
definitely a Jamaican meal.
All right. Go on there. So was this cooked by a Jamaican chef?
The best Jamaican chefs in the whole world.
All right.
Well flavored. Hit your taste bud in every way.
Good.
Fall off the bone turkey neck.
So where can I get something to buy like this? You don't know? At a Jamaican restaurant, would it taste like this? No.
Exactly. So I wouldn't say you could buy this anywhere. I mean, you can, but it's not going to taste as good. It's not going to have as much love in it as this does.
You hear that, boy? Are you eating your food? Good. So what is this here?
So that's the mac and cheese with the
Turkey neck.
turkey neck.
Okay, no rice and peas.
No rice and peas. The owner doesn't want rice and peas. Things like this right here, the pimento.
Yeah, part of the flavor.
Yeah,
All right.
give it that extra kick.
Definitely.
You got your red beans for your rice and peas.
Yep. All right, enjoy.
Thank you.
So, giving a shout out to all viewers on the live. It's been a while I haven't uploaded or go live. So I'm just catching up with someone enjoying their Jamaican meal. Turkey neck and rice and peas.
So that's Dasha.
Look like good stuff.
Very good.
See it?